Hello again, everybody. Tim here, timscomputerfix.net again today. What we have going on here. This is a HP with some stickers on it, but this is actually an X360 machine. This is a 15-BP100 series model laptop computer. Okay, let's just crack this open here to show you what happened to this particular laptop. Nice and easy. Yeah, so you can see here how this has all been cracked, and it goes all the way up around here. But we need to replace this entire top assembly. And that's what we're going to do here today. Remove all the screws on the bottom of this laptop. Use a plastic pry tool or what have you, whatever you're comfortable with, to unsnap the bottom. Let's remove this bottom cover. So once this is removed, this is going to expose the battery, motherboard, all the internal components, obviously. One good thing that I did realize on this, that it didn't seem to, whatever damage was done, didn't seem to affect the hinge area that much. This hinge is very slightly bent right here, but it's still fully operational, so that's a good sign. We're just going to replace the display assembly on this. But I wanted to open this up simply because I wanted to disconnect this battery while we're working on it. So there's just a few screws we take off here to do that. We will remove the battery. It just slides right out like that. First, I want to kind of rest the back cover back on here a little bit, just to protect that bottom there a little bit. Flip it back over. Open this up, pull it a little closer. In order to protect this screen, or well, protect the top cover, I'm just going to take a precaution here and just use something just to cover the keyboard and the palm rest area here, where the speakers and all are, because I have a feeling, looking at this, there's going to be some small shards of glass that kind of get everywhere. I do have my replacement screen in hand. Okay, so there is a bezel that's included with the screen. It's a black bezel. It's a little bit lifted, so you'll be able to feel it. You want to get behind that. You want to get between the metal top lid and that bezel. Don't try to get from in here. If you can see that, you want to get between the metal and the bezel, and you just want to slowly kind of work your tool in there and see if you can just get it to unsnap. And it's unsnapping here. Sounds good. And this, when we get up in here, is where I start to get a little bit concerned because of the cracked glass, obviously. Definitely loose over here for sure, but it's been impacted, and you can see there. Don't force anything or use too much pressure. All right, and you can also see where the bottom piece there kind of unsnaps also. Let's get over to the cracked part of the display here and see what we can do about working that out. Actually, that's already kind of worked out. Yeah. Pretty bad. That bottom bezel piece popping off. So, I mean, I pretty much got it fairly loose. We just got to finish off around this bottom area here. Okay, so you can see it starting to come up. We'll keep it down laying kind of flat. And that exposes, of course, all of our ribbon cables and everything that we have to replace. That's what we're going to go ahead and do now. We've got 2 ribbon cables to remove. Got some glass here in the way. Looks like we get some more tape underneath that. So, boy, let me tell you, they don't want this ribbon cable going anywhere. There we go. We might want to work this other side out. First, this is all kind of taped down a little bit. We've got some tape here. So there's a ziff right here that you flip up to remove this other smaller cable. And that comes right out like that. And then we remove this cable. It's all kind of sticky tape down there, but that's okay. Just be gentle. Last thing you want to do is damage these cables. Once you get all the sticky parts of the cable kind of lifted up, then you can gently pull out the ribbon cable from the slot there, and then there's a little hook, plastic hook in the screen that you just pull the ribbon cable out from. And there's a little slot that it goes into, so just like that. And that is how you remove the screen from this model laptop. So let's go ahead and put the new screen in. Okay, we got the new screen here. We just kind of do everything in reverse, right? Let's go ahead and just, I would just go ahead and get the ribbon cables connected. Now we don't want to retape or reseal anything here until we verify this screen works. We'll slowly work that back into place. There we go. So we get it nice and happy in there. Click, click. Pretty happy with that. I'll just fold that down for now. And we can just go ahead and get our second ribbon cable into place. We'll flip up the little ziff. We can kind of push that in. Make sure that it's in there all the way where the white line is flush with the connector itself. And we'll push the ziff flap down to lock it in place. It looks pretty good there. So now at this point, before we really reroute and try to get this all secured down, what we really want to do now is test this to be sure that it's in good working order. So we'll just flip it up and flip it back. And we want to go ahead and remove the plastic film that is on this screen. Like that right there. Okay, we can probably remove this protective piece of material here since we don't have to worry about glass anymore. Okay, so we got it plugged in. And let's go ahead and, I know we got a glare there. Let's go ahead and power it up and see if we get a display. Oh yeah, we do. We have a display here. And we have post. Let's make sure we have touch. And we have touch. So we can power this system down as of right now. And we will get this mounted. We'll get it taped up nicely and secured, and then we'll get it mounted, and hopefully she'll snap right back into place, no problem. Here, and we're going to fold this back how it was. Nice and gently. And then we can go ahead and we're going to tape back down these connectors here. Now, that's not being taped back very well, so I'm going to use some high temp masking tape here. I'll have a link in the description below where you can purchase some of this high temp tape. Amazon link. Now, one important thing you don't want to do is drop or impact anything on the back side of this screen. You will damage it. It's very delicate back here. That's why they use metal to protect this. Any impact right here causes issues. So we'll just fold that back down and use this tape to reinforce it. Alright, that's going to help keep that in place. And then we'll go here. Connection's good there. Alright, so then we want to take this little piece there and get it back into its little trace there. And this may be a little bit tricky because it's a pretty thick cable. Okay, so once you're sure you have your cables routed correctly, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit extra tape, check my connection one more time, and I'm going to put a little bit of extra tape right here just to be extra safe. Right? That's just to give us a little bit extra reassurance that everything is going to hold well, and quite confident that it will. Now the part that's really crucial is getting this thing snapped back onto that top lid. We'll just flip this guy back over up onto this. Now this is where you need to be really careful. Nice and gently snap her back in. Do not use excessive force. You will crack this again if you use excessive force. Everything's snapped into place nicely. If you want to, you want to bend it back a fair bit like so. And you can get your hand up underneath it and push and snap together these corners here just to be sure they're all put back into place okay. But there you have it. Fire it up and give it one more test. We'll go ahead and put the battery back in. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, why don't you head right down below here, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. That would be really awesome. I have much more computer repair videos coming your way. There's also a bell you can click to get notifications for my videos. I really appreciate everybody's support. And as usual, everyone, until next time, see you soon.